Hey guys, it's me, Angeline P. ALFECHE. In this video, I am going to teach you about the polynomial long division. I have one equation here. For long division, we write our equation like this. The dividend must be inside this division symbol, and then the divisor must be written outside. Then follow the first steps in dividing. So first, divide. What we have to divide is the first term of our dividend by the first term of our divisor. So it will be 3x cubed divided by x, and in dividing variables, you just have to subtract their exponent. Therefore, x cubed divided by x will give us x squared. So, we will have 3x raised to 2. Again, it becomes 3x squared because we just subtract the exponents of our variable. So, x raised to 3 divided by x, so it's like 3 minus 1, so we got 2. After that, second step is multiply. We will multiply this function to the binomial or the divisor. So 3x squared times x will give us 3x cubed. And we will write that below the first term. Then 3x squared times negative 4. So 3 times 4 is equal to 12. And it is negative. So therefore, we'll have negative 12x squared. Then proceed with the third step, subtract. Let us subtract these two. And in subtracting polynomials, remember that you only have to change the sign of the subraham and proceed in adding them. So here, the subraham 3x cubed is positive. So we will make it negative like that. And then the second one, negative 12, so it's negative. We will make it positive to subtract polynomials. So you just have to change the sign of the subraham and now proceed in adding them. 3x cubed minus 3x cubed, it will be cancelled or equal to 0. Then negative 10x squared plus positive 12, this negative 12 is now positive, right? So we will have positive 2. Different sign, so we have to subtract them. And copy the sign of the larger number, so 12 is positive, so we got positive 2. And just copy x squared. After that, fourth step, we need to bring down. So here, let us bring down negative 9. After bringing down that term, and step 5, it says repeat. So it means we will go back to the first step, like we divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat again. It means we have to divide this first term, 2x squared, by the first term of our binomial x. 2x squared divide x, you will have 2x. After dividing, multiply x quotient time the binomial. So x will give us 2x squared, and then 2x squared times negative 4 will have us negative 8x. So we proceed in subtracting them. Remember that you have to change the sign of the subraham and proceed to the addition. So this positive 2x squared will become negative, while negative 8x will become positive. So let's add 2x squared plus negative 2x squared. That will be equal to 0. So you may just cancel them. And then negative 9 plus positive 8, they have different sign, right? So therefore, you have to subtract 9 minus 8 give us 1. So copy the sign of the larger number. It's negative. Therefore, we have negative x. Remember, if the numerical coefficients of variable is 1, we do not have to write that. That's why we that's why we only have here negative x. Then we may bring down, we still have positive 4 here. Bring down positive 4 and proceed to division. Negative x divide positive x, you will have negative 1. Then multiply negative 1 or this quotient to the binomial given. So negative 1 times x will have negative x. And then negative 1x minus 4, both of them are negative. So therefore, the answer will be positive 4. And proceed to subtractions, and then change the sign of the subraham. Negative, it will become positive, and positive here will become negative. So negative x plus positive x, that will be equal to 0. So we may just cancel. positive 4 and negative 4 will also give us 0. So therefore, the answer here is 0. So it means that the quotient of this polynomial is equal to 3x squared plus 2x minus
1.